Hello there. Are you in need of reliable construction services? Let me introduce you to Naman Build Tech, based in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. We specialize in all types of civil works for industrial and commercial projects. From factories to hospitals, we ensure quality and timely delivery. Our services include RCC building construction, PEB metal buildings, and more. Need interior work? We've got you covered with glazing, wooden work, and flooring. We also handle electrical, plumbing, and even landscaping projects. With a qualified team and modern tools, we deliver exceptional work since 2008. Interested? Call us at 966-ZODRA-14262. We're here 24/7 to assist you.